Is your rice cooker only good for making rice? If you're tired of buying separate appliances for steaming vegetables, slow cooking meals, and making oatmeal, it might be time to upgrade. The right multi-cooker can save both space and time, but only if it's actually easy to use. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker for cup uncooked/8-cup cooked multi-cooker to see if it's worth adding to your kitchen. Designed for busy individuals, couples, and small families, this compact cooker aims to do much more than prepare fluffy rice. It combines rice cooking, steaming, slow cooking, oatmeal, risotto, and even a delay timer into one countertop appliance. If you're looking for a simple way to make weeknight meals easier without filling your kitchen with extra gadgets, this one certainly deserves a closer look. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the cooker has a clean, modern appearance with its brushed stainless steel exterior and compact footprint. It doesn't take up much counter space, making it a practical choice for apartments, dorms, RVs, or smaller kitchens. The digital control panel is straightforward to understand, with clearly labeled cooking functions that don't require constantly checking the manual. The nonstick inner cooking pot feels solid, removes easily, and includes water level markings that make measuring rice simple, even for first-time users. What really makes this cooker stand out is how versatile it feels in everyday use. Instead of simply cooking rice, it becomes a genuine meal-making appliance. You can steam vegetables or chicken in the included steam tray while rice cooks underneath, allowing you to prepare an entire meal with very little effort. If you're making soup, chili, or pulled chicken, the slow cook function adds another layer of convenience that many basic rice cookers simply don't offer. Performance is where the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker delivers the most value. White rice cooks evenly with a soft, fluffy texture, while brown rice programs remove much of the guesswork that comes with cooking whole grains. The automatic keep warm function is especially useful because your food stays at a serving temperature without constant monitoring. Whether dinner gets delayed by a few minutes or someone in the family arrives home late, your meal is still ready to enjoy. The 15-hour delay timer is another feature that fits naturally into busy schedules. You can load your ingredients before leaving for work and have rice or oatmeal ready around mealtime without needing to rush home. For anyone trying to simplify meal prep, that convenience quickly becomes one of the biggest reasons to own this cooker. Cleanup is refreshingly easy. The removable non-stick pot wipes clean with minimal effort, and the included accessories are simple to wash after each use. Since everything cooks in one appliance, you'll often have fewer dishes overall, which is always a welcome bonus after dinner. Compared with similarly priced models from Hamilton Beach, Black Plus Decker, or basic rice cookers from other brands, the Aroma stands out because it combines multiple cooking functions into one compact appliance. Instead of purchasing a rice cooker and a separate steamer, you get both along with slow cooking, programmable settings, and a delay timer. That combination offers excellent overall value for its price range. Overall, the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker is an excellent choice for students, couples, small families, and anyone who wants to simplify everyday cooking. It performs reliably, offers genuinely useful features instead of unnecessary gimmicks. It makes meal preparation far more convenient than a basic rice cooker. If you're looking for an affordable multi-cooker that goes well beyond cooking rice, this model is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews and buying guides, and check the link in the description for the latest price and availability before making your decision.